What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be checking out the Pro Plugger by Pro Plugger. This thing is freaking awesome. This thing is so versatile and you can use this in so many different ways. We're going to get into all the details here and check it out. Like I said, this thing is super versatile. This thing can be used for planting bulbs. So if you wanted to plant something like a flower bulb, just take your plugger, step on it there, give it a little spin, pull that out, and you've got a nice perfect little hole. Drop your bulb in there, turn your plugger upside down, give it one little tap, your plug's gonna fall out and just fill that hole in accordingly. I've currently got some crabgrass in my nice lush lawn here. You can see that nasty crabgrass there. I don't want that in there. I've hit it with some weed killer and it's just not coming out. So let's get rid of that. So to ensure that I am going to get all the roots, I'm going to take off this ring so I can go a little deeper here. And I'm going to get to the core of that, step on that, go all the way down. Again, give it a little twist, pull all that junk right out of there. And you can see we're left with a nice little hole. Now, I obviously don't want to leave that hole there. So, area in my yard that is less likely to be seen, right up next to the fence in my backyard. Take a plug from there. I'm going to drop that plug out. And here is the new plug with the good grass without all that crappy crabgrass. Now I'm just going to set that right in there. That is going to fill in perfectly, give a nice little step, and we're good to go. And then to fill in this other hole that is empty, I'm just going to use some sand to fill that in. I'll go get my lawn leveling rake, level this area out a little bit, and we are golden. That'll fill in. This is Kentucky bluegrass, rhizomatic grass, so that little hole of sand will fill in eventually here within the next probably month. And as for this nasty plug, the soil looks beautiful though. I'm gonna get rid of this bad boy and throw it away. So guys, highly recommend checking out this Pro Plugger. This thing is freaking awesome, really versatile. You can plant flowers, you can plant bulbs. When you're planting flowers, you can just pull 4 plugs out of your soil really easily right next to each other to make a bigger hole to plant your flowers. So highly recommend checking this thing out. It's freaking awesome. Thanks for watching.